Tribe Council JTC Imphal area coordinator Athon Gangmei has warned that mortal remains of 6 slain Naga individuals lying at Jennings morgue will be brought to the Chief Minister's bungalow if justice is not delivered. Addressing a solemn program marking 100 days since the bodies were placed in the mortuary, he highlighted that the victims from Konsakul were abducted from Leilong Waipai on May 13 and brutally murdered by suspected Kuki narco-terrorists. He lamented that despite the lapse of 100 days, the Charter of Demands submitted to both the central and state governments remain unaddressed despite multiple democratic agitations. Warning the authorities against turning a deaf ear to their grievances, he asserted that the public will be compelled to march towards the Chief Minister's bungalow carrying the 6 bodies. He cautioned that such an escalation could lead to widespread unrest and untoward casualties, including demand for resignation of all Naga MLAs if the government continues to ignore the matter.
Manipur I Yelhomi, Mitai, Manipur Nagasing Puna, I sit and protest, Dana Karak Pumkre, I Kendalite Kayama Pigre, Gorman, Usinadana, Kansin and Hosik Pava, Aduna Lady. Asumana Quina, Labor Taragadi, I Manipur Yelhomi, it is this, people near Punle Haraga, I dead body, see, Pin of Galuina, Sim Minister, Bangalow, dead body say, I quit Soidra, no Matelakani, Adumatam, I quit Mishimina, I Kayama, Torkani, Mishimina Kon, Awana. Kayamak akwai thorkani loinana akwai adu khaktana akwai nagagi MLA nagagi mantri fawa pham thadokadabani haiba khungjang kayama akwai sangsilakani masi adugi matam adugi numito government nokhoi ngaiganu akwai irang taung thorkani hoji akwai nahasing yuchi nagagi andi Manipur indigenous yahlomi nahasina akwai di itatatana hoji cho hairi akwai prajagi madat pitho piro akwai